In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Airtable to Excel. If you manage projects, track inventory, or collect forms in Airtable, there will be times when you need that information in a familiar spreadsheet format. Excel is perfect for deeper analysis, quick sharing, or creating reports. And the fastest bridge between Airtable and Excel is a simple CSV export. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can move your data with confidence. Start by opening the Airtable base that holds the records you want to export. Make sure you have the right workspace and base selected, especially if you manage multiple projects. It helps to think ahead about exactly which fields and records you need because what you see is what you'll get. Next, open the specific table or switch to the view that contains the data you want. A view in Airtable can include filters, sorts, and hidden fields. The export respects your current view, so only visible fields and filtered records will be included. If you don't want a field in the export, hide it first in the view. Now, look for the view name near the top left of the table. Click the small drop-down arrow beside it to open the view menu. This menu controls options related to the view you're currently in. From here, choose Download CSV. CSV stands for comma separated values. It's a lightweight, universal format that works beautifully with Excel. The file will download automatically to your default downloads folder, and the file name typically reflects the table or view you exported. If your base is large, give it a moment to generate. Keep in mind that attachment fields export as links to the files, and formulas export their calculated values, not the underlying expressions. Open Microsoft Excel, then open the downloaded CSV file. Your Airtable data will load into rows and columns right away. If Excel shows an import prompt, choose comma as the delimiter. And if you see encoding options, UTF-8 is a safe bet for special characters. After it opens, scan your headers, check dates and times, and look out for leading zeros in things like IDs or zip codes, which Excel may treat as numbers. Adjust column widths to make everything readable. Remember, what you exported reflects the Airtable view. So if something's missing, return to Airtable, adjust the view, and export again. That's it. Open your base, pick the right table or view, use the View menu, download CSV, and open it in Excel. Thanks for watching.